Okay, so you're asked to only do one task today, and that is 11, lesson 11, task 1. How many of these in that? So we could think of the division expression 10 divided by 2.5 as the answer to the question, how many groups, so how many groups of 2.5 are in 10 equal to 10. Okay. Complete the tape diagram to represent the question, then answer the question. So I can see that I have this model, or this tape diagram, and it shows me that the value of it is 10. And I want to know how many groups of 2.5 there are. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate this by 2.5. So this is 1, 2, and then a half. Okay, so this is a half. So this would be 1.5, 2.5. So just to make sure you see it, if I go from this way, 1, 2, and a half. Okay, so you see the same, the pieces are the same. Okay. All right, 1, 2, and a half. And then if I go this way, I have 1, 2, and a half. Okay. So how many 2.5s are in 10? There are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 divided by 2.5 equals 4. All right, let's do the same thing here. How many groups, so how many groups of 2 are in 7 or equal to 7? Okay, so I have the multiplication problem. How many groups of 2, I'm sorry, how many groups, of 2 are in 7? So I'm going to circle every group of 2, or I'm going to mark every group of 2. So here's 1, 2. There's one group of 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to pause here for a minute. Let me just go ahead and show my full groups. Here's one full group of 2. Here's another full group of 2. Here's another full group of 2. Now, I don't have enough to make another full group of 2. I only have 1. Well, if I were to think of this as another full group of 2 and shaded it in, then this shows me the fraction 1/2. So this is not a full group or one whole group. This is 1/2 of a group of 2. Okay, so remember, this isn't really here. I just kind of drew that in so that I could easily see the fraction 1/2. Okay. So to answer the question, how many groups of 2 equals 7? It is 1, 2, 3, 3.5 groups. 3.5 groups. So 7 divided by 2 equals 3.5.